you don't understand. All dressed up, looking so sharp, just knowing you're the man. With the walk to the beat and your moves on repeat, the game is on tonight. With a smile on your face, but along with the taste of loneliness to replace. Oh man, you look so good tonight. Every woman in need for your expertise, to hear the cheer for you. Will you sit alone, but with your dignity on the phone, begging you to come home. Your mind slips away with every minute that you stay. Messed up your haircut, but still you feel the same. Cause you're gosh with the women, they don't have opinion, at least not the pretty ones. As long as they keep on coming this place you belong in, a game you'll never win. But so sad this seems to be your fate, all alone again, and without a date. Your ship will never come in, and you'll never win, unless the golden rule becomes your friend.
Þetta er one ever.
Já.
Þú ert toppsöngvari.
Á ég að spila trommur?
Nei, þú fær one take
One take?
á Careless Whisper.
Já. Strákar, en ég þekki ekki uppbyggingu á laginu, þú veist, fæ ég séns ef, þú veist, ég kem inn á villum stað?
Já.
Ok.
Við, hvað er textinn?
Ég með það.
Viltu ekki hafa blaðið eða?
Ég sé ekki á blaðið.
Ásdís, mér er lengi dreymt að taka þetta lag fyrir þig. Ég er búinn að vera með strákunum í allt kvöld, en nú kom að því að þú fáir minn tíma. I feel so unsure, so I take your hand and lead you through the dance floor. When the music dies, something in your eyes calls to mind the silver screen and all the sad goodbyes. I'm never gonna dance again, guilty feeling got no rhythm, though it's easy to pretend. No, you're not a fool, should've known better than a cheated friend, wasted chance that I've been given. No, I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you. Time can never mend careless whisper of a good friend to the heart and mind. Ignorance is kind. There's no comfort in the truth. Pain is all you find. Þegar ég tyllir lífin með silki mjúkri röddu minni, fyllist fyrir framan svið allar píunar, en engar áhyggjur, ást mín þín sönn og hefur verið allar aldir. Syng bara fyrir því hjarta mín og huga, smyrðu samlöku mína, ástin. Oh yeah. Tonight the music seems so loud. Wish that we could lose this crowd. Maybe it's bad.
Oh,